can't believe the vlogs are back. I can't believe it, but we're here and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. What the fuck? Honestly, it's been something that's kind of been like on my mind for so long, and recently I've just had this urge to get back on YouTube and to just like start being creative and like creating long form content again. And I have so many like changes happening in my life and like life updates, and I thought it would be good to take you all along for the ride because it's kind of scary and uncertain, but also going to be interesting, and I think it's going to help maybe someone also feel a little bit more comforted if they're going through like really crazy life changes. So excited to be back on YouTube. I can't even deal. This is crazy. Devin and I are going to Europe in a month. Today's the 6th. Today's the 6th of June. No, 6th of June. Today's the 6th of May. Leaving to go to Europe on the 4th of June, and we're going to be there for like 2 months. So yeah, it's going to be super fun, but also super scary. And we also have to move at the end of May because, long story short, but like basically I'm living with Dev now and we have to move because they are renting out this house. So we have to find our own place, and I didn't really want to find a place before we started traveling because we didn't really want to have to pay rent while we were away because it's just a necessary expense, and we were kind of like, okay, well, we might as well spend that on travel. So hopefully, not hopefully, we're just gonna have to find a place when we get back home in August. And yeah, I'm kind of scared because obviously we can't really start looking now, but I'm just trusting the process that everything will find its way into the way it should be. So yeah, that's just a brief life update, and I obviously will be taking you along on all of those things, the whole trip, obviously finding a new apartment, and I just think it's gonna be super interesting, and that's why I decided to get back on YouTube. So yeah, I thought in true old YouTube fashion, let me do a sit down haul. Today's Monday. I've literally been sick the whole week. Literally did not leave the house and do anything. Oh, actually that's a lie. I bought this gown this weekend. But today, the reason why the vlogs are back is because I needed to get a new camera. So I got a new camera because my old vlogging camera, it was just too big and clunky, and to get a camera that was going to be super compact and easy for me to kind of take on the go. So like a lot more discreet. So I've been looking at this camera for a while. This is the Canon v10. My friend Cleo has one and she loves it, and I just watched a bunch of videos. I saw Sophia and Chinzia also have it. They use it for their Coachella vlogs. So I went and got that today. I wanted to do an unboxing, but obviously I'm using the camera to film. So this is the box. So it's literally tiny. Like it's the size of a credit card. Crazy. Iconic though. I only had one left and it came in like a creator bundle, so I actually got a whole bunch of things for free too, which was really cool. So I got the camera. I've already ravaged into some of these things like a fucking raccoon. Got a little dust bag to keep it in. I mean, look how small it is. Like, look, compared to the size of my hand, like this is the dust bag for the camera. A silicone lens cap. It's cute. I wish it was like it could attach to the camera somehow, but I suppose it's cute. It was free, so. Got furry windscreens, I think for the sound. Like little sound buffs. Wait. I'm interested to see if it makes a bit of a... It's kind of cute. I also got, I thought it would be super nice for traveling, is this light. It's rechargeable, which is really cool. Also just for like filming like get ready with me's and like that kind of content while I'm away, or just even doing my makeup really, I suppose. It's kind of trippy. Also, there was a vintage shop on Harrington Street. I'm afraid of mice. I just saw this top that was super cute. It was like a vintage polo. I just thought it was super cute. I really like the white top. It's just a cute like basic to have. As far as I'm aware, the week isn't really that busy nor interesting, so hopefully things happen that I can take you along with. But other than that, in the weeks to come, I'm going to be doing packing videos and then obviously travel vlogs, which is going to be incredible. So yeah, I am so excited for that and can't wait to take you along.
I could stay all night, but I have to go. I don't have the time or the
That was hard.
You say, watch out for those wicked ways, but I have
And all the focuses.
Yeah.
It's just like that nowadays, and I can learn to fight back. Why don't we talk about it? Why won't you?
This is literally all I've been using, like just the Switch In Your Dreams Sleep Barrier Repair Mask. I've been using this as a moisturizer every day, just because I feel like it gives extra hydration. I've recently been gua shying. Don't know if it makes a difference, but it feels nice, especially now that it's like cold. Oh, that's how much sunscreen you should be using. 2 finger lengths worth. I always rub excess on my hands.
Seven.
Contrary to popular belief, I actually know how to use this properly, but today is just not one of those days. God, this looks so bad. Okay, well that's as good as it's gonna get. I might even just put a headband on because I don't have time. It's giving poofy. Why is it so poofy? Might be a headband kind of day. Actually, that doesn't look terrible. Do you know what I do when I'm lazy, which is almost every day? I run out of eyebrow stuff. Just kind of just brush that up. Is giving, I mean, to be fair, it like works. I don't know if that's cute or not. I need a wax on this dosh. Currently been loving these earrings from the Fits. I might actually go get some more today. Oh, we're going to the mall to, I'm helping Dream Boys shoot a video. In case you didn't know, I was the one who filmed all the videos for them. Silver hoops. Okay, that's cute. The hair is giving. The hair is giving more than I thought it was. This is the outfit. A little sweater, grey headband, my grey New Balances that are very dirty, and I'm gonna do my bag, my Bottega dupe. As always, screen always gets so scratched in my bag. I don't know why. I've gone through like 3 phone screen protectors in like literally 3 months, and I just feel like because when I put it in my bag, it gets so scratched. Okay, that's the outfit. Nothing exciting. It's just giving errands.
Yeah, no, that's cool, yeah. But how come, Dave, we saw like 3 the other day for like fucking 3K? Remember, not the other day, but last year on Facebook. Did you? Me too.
I was just about to say, is that what my hair looks like? So what are we doing now, Paul?
We are gonna go to Kauai.
Do you want to be in the vlog?
I was wondering why did you say that again?
Why am I awkward on your vlog?
Do you want to be on the vlog?
Yeah, I'm on the vlog. Hi, we're going to Kauai because I'm a slut for Kauai.
I'm also a slut for Kauai. We're gonna go to Kauai, and then Dream Boys are gonna go make some dreams come true.
Bye, people.
For all I know, I could be
Yeah, they are. They're super uncomfy.
So
Have you had a pair?
I've got a pair. I don't have some. I've got special.
The specials are way more comfy than the Sambas.
Is it? Yeah,
Because they're just so flat.
They said come to Seaside Village. You can't
Seaside
buy much at Seaside Village.
What can you buy? Is there like a Checkers?
The Checkers and the Woolies.
There's no like clothing
There's
stores.
some boutique stores.
There's a dentist.
Dentist, yeah.
We're busy doing a giveaway. The winners are busy shopping. Dream Boys are currently on live because they are trying to get roses so they can give people roses.
Casual
Well
crackage.
done for doing what you guys are doing.
These guys are always on fucking live. What do you think? That's like good rice noodle. That sauce is so good.
Like a soy sauce like.
This is gonna cure me. Hello besties, I'm on my way. It's Wednesday today and I have a meeting in town at 1. It's currently 12:30, so I'm already running late. Fab. I just want to show you my outfit before I go. The weather's kind of weird today. It's like sunny but still a little bit cold. So yeah, let me just show you the outfit of the day quick. So we have my vintage polo top that I bought the other day, and then this jacket from the Fix that I got a while ago. One of my favorite tiered skirts from Cotton On, and then the red boots. I'm literally obsessed with these. I think these are also Cotton On. Love them. And then, oh yeah, these glasses are Cotton On. And my silver earrings from the Fits. And then my Switch Beauty Masala Tray lip liner. That is my lifeline. Okay, mwah. See you later.
너의 personality 알고 싶어 deeply 16가지의 types 너는 어디에 fit Extrovert, introvert 너의 에너지는 어디로 향해 Sensing intuition 세상을 바라보는 눈은 어떠해
Hey queens, I'm propping you up in the car because I'm on my way home now. I just stayed afterwards and did a little bit of work after the meeting. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Sorry you fell. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I feel like I've got quite a bit of content to go into this video and I don't want to overwhelm myself getting back into editing. Lol. Anyway, so I'm gonna end the vlog here and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, have a beautiful day and I will see you in the next vlog. Mwah, bye.